To create a circle in AutoCAD, you can use the circle command. Type C, enter. Specify the center point, click on the drawing area. Specify the circle radius, such as 25. Enter to close. You can also create a circle that is tangent to two line objects and has a specific radius. For example, I have two line objects. Type C, enter. Type TTR, enter. Click on the two line objects. And then enter the radius value. Enter to close. As an exercise, create a square with the line command. It's 50 long and 50 wide. Create a circle in the center of the square. Type C, enter. Move the mouse cursor to the center until you see the snap midpoint mark. Do this for both vertical and horizontal lines. Then, move the mouse cursor to the center. Click, then enter the radius value 10. Enter to exit. You can also create a circle with the TTR option at the top right of the square, with a radius of 5. Type C, enter. Type TTR, enter. Select to object. Type 5 for radius. Enter to close. To create an ellipse, you can use the ellipse command. Type EL, enter. Specify the axis of the endpoint, click on the drawing area. Move the cursor to the right and set the value, 100, enter. Specify the distance to the other axis, 25, enter. You also can create ellipse from center point. Type EL, enter. Type C, enter. Specify center point, click on drawing area. Move cursor to right, set value, 100, enter. Set for other axis, 25, enter.